Hi, World Lit! Welcome to week 4 of distance learning. Believe it or not, if you include that practice week, this is already the 4th week we're online. Um, I don't know about you guys, but I know that there's like some things that I'm loving about distance learning, and there's some things that are really frustrating for me still. So we just continue to really thank you for jumping into this with us and learning as we go. So we want to like start by just introducing the week a little bit. And to do that, I want to go over some of the survey feedback we were hearing. We were hearing last week. Wrong thing. Crap. Okay. Oh crap. Not that. Oh, here we. Ignore those last things. Okay. So, based on last week's weekly reflection, what we're hearing is people are appreciating like the Pick 2 assignment. They're appreciating choice. They're appreciating being able to like see their classmates thinking a little bit more. So we're actually just going to keep like that exact same structure this week. We're going to give it another go, see how it goes with this next text. This week you're going to read an excerpt from the book Kindred, which is really a fantastic book. It's about a woman who like travels back to like her enslaved ancestors' time period, but she doesn't know when she's like going to be taken back there. So it's kind of crazy. Okay. Main thing to know, the structure this week is exactly like last week. We are hearing some feedback that some people are still feeling a little bit confused when they're talking about like what's not working for Google Classroom. Some people are still confused just kind of about the organization and order of things. So just want to take like 30 seconds to go over that. When you see your screen, all of your assignments are going to be in order. And you'll notice that some of the assignments don't have like a due date. For example, like this first one doesn't have a due date, right? That's because it's a lesson. It's not an assignment to turn in, okay? So here's what people I think are running into. They're skipping right down to the one where it's an assignment to turn in, and they're like, wait, what do I do? I don't understand. That's because some people are just kind of skipping straight ahead to that. So we just want to really, really encourage you, go in order of what you're seeing here. So when it says read me first, read it first. When it says 1.1, you should review that before you go on to 1.2 or 1.3 or 1.4. So that organization will stay true even if we add new assignments. So for example, on Wednesday when we post the exit ticket, it will be 1.5. We're doing that because it should come after you participate in these Pick 2 things. So anything is always going to be in order, okay? So before you ask a question, you should think to yourself, like, have I actually gone through all the directions, okay? We want to just do kind of a quick plug. When you get to your overview and suggested timing today, we would actually recommend that you take some time to go through these things, like scope out your whole week and plan out your time. Because if you get to Wednesday and you notice that these things are due, but you haven't spent any time working on them on Monday or Tuesday, you're going to be stressed out on Wednesday because it's going to be a lot to do. We don't want it to be too much in one day. That's why we've broken it down. But if you like put it off, it's going to be tough, okay? Last thing, if you are having trouble, we just want to really, 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 really beg you to just like communicate those problems to us because we are here to help and we want this to be successful for you. We felt so bad for this student last week. They were saying like, everything was very confusing. Everything was like totally difficult, extremely unhelpful. They didn't understand the reading. Like they said that everything is not working for them in Google Classroom. But then we felt so bad because instead of their name to help with the assignment, they accidentally just wrote a swear word, and we just felt so bad for them because we couldn't do anything to help. So this is just us saying to you one more time, if you have a problem, like, we're here, but you got to communicate with us, okay? You got this. Stay caffeinated. Believe it or not, I'm even more caffeinated than I am in my normal class here in my apartment. And Go to it. Goodbye.